Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for cloud computing and distributed systems. Week 0, assignment 0. So the first question is, a distributed system is best described as, so these are the option, and the answer of our first question is B. Multiple autonomous computers with their own memory communicating via message passing. And now let's go to our question number 2. A major driver behind the evolution of distributed cloud computing over decades is, so these are the option, and the answer for our second question is B. Variable workloads and large datasets. And now let's go to our question number 3. High throughput computing HTC is said to appear as, so these are the option, and the answer of our third question is C. Clusters, SOA, grids, P2P networks, internet clouds, and IoT. And now let's go to our question number 4. The statement processor speed doubles every 18 months corresponds to, so these are the option, and the answer of our fourth question is B. Moore's law. And now let's go to our question number 5. Match the slogan to the correct person and era. The network is the computer, so these are the option, and the answer of our fifth question is B. John Gay's Sun Microsystem 1984. And now let's go to our question number 6. Cloud computing is also considered a form of, so these are the option, and the answer for our sixth question is B. Utility computing, service computing. And now let's go to our question number 7. Utility computing mainly emphasizes, so these are the option, and the answer of our seventh question is B. Customers receiving computing resources from a paid service provider. And now let's go to our question number 8. A private cloud is, so these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is B. Accessible only to company employees. And now let's go to our question number 9. In AWS, S3 is primarily used for, so these are the option, and the answer of our ninth question is B. Storing datasets and paying per GB month. And now let's go to our question number 10. On demand access in cloud context most directly means, so these are the option, and the answer of our 10th question is A. Pay as you go with no upfront commitment. So now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing. You have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.